Is your Android phone stuck in a digital ice age? Let's thaw it out together. First, try the simplest solution, a force restart. Press and hold the power button for 10-20 seconds. This often bypasses the frozen state and reboots your phone. If the power button displays a power menu, tap the restart option. If your screen is completely unresponsive, continue holding the power button. If that doesn't work, attempt a hardware key reboot. The combination varies by phone model. Commonly, it's holding the power button and volume up button simultaneously, or sometimes power and volume down. Hold them until the phone restarts. Refer to your phone's manual online, or a quick search of your phone model with the phrase hard reset will give the correct key combination. Low battery can sometimes cause freezing. Plug your phone into a charger and let it charge for at least 15-30 minutes. Then, try restarting it again using the power button. Remove your SIM card and SD card. Sometimes, a corrupted card can cause issues. Power on the phone without the cards and see if it boots normally. If it does, reinsert each card individually to identify the culprit. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. Be warned, this will erase all data on your phone. To do this, you'll need to access the recovery mode using a specific key combination for your device model. Search online for your phone model recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select wipe data, factory reset. Hopefully, one of these steps has unfrozen your phone. For more tech tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.